something. So first you're gonna need treats or it's food, and I already have my food with me right now. So first what you're gonna do, you're gonna wanna throw the food or treat forward, and the dog should go and get it. And then when it looks like it comes back, then you go back through your legs, and then it goes around. And when you get your attention again, you throw it back through your legs and flip around, and do that about 5 times. And that's Eat Play Thunder. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!